So we see many patients here about dental implants, and one of their first questions is the cost. The neat thing about the way that we do it here is we do it all in one place. We do the bone grafts, we do the implant, we do the restoration. You're our patient for life. We don't send you out to other dentists to have the implants placed there, then you come back, then we restore it. If they didn't do it the way we wanted to, we have to deal with that. And then if the implant fails, if we don't do the whole thing, then you have to go back to the surgeon that did it. So there's many benefits of coming here, and we can bring the cost down by doing it all in one place. We've been doing it for 20 years. We've been restoring implants and placing them, and it's one of the most predictable things that we can do. Now, as far as cost, it's less expensive in the long run than doing a bridge or anything else like that that you may have to replace every 10 years. We do it so that it will last a lifetime.